Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy tuna lettuce salad. It's really easy, almost impossible to fail, and you can make it in no time. At the end of the video, I will talk about how I built a menu with this dish. So stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need. Some lettuce. I'm using about a third of this today. Canned tuna, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, and this is optional, but if you like, some nori strips to garnish. I washed the lettuce already, so let's just tear it into bite size and put it into the bowl. Then sesame oil. And mix it here to make sure the lettuce is coated with the sesame oil. This will prevent the salad becoming too soggy. Let's add tuna oil and everything. And salt, sesame seeds, all in, and toss this well. And it's done. Super easy. Let's have it in this bowl. And put some nori strips. And tuna lettuce salad is ready to go. That was easy, wasn't it? Now it's time for the tasting. いただきます。The sesame oil, it's so flavorful. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo meal looks like. Rice, soup, 1 main, 2 sides. Tuna lettuce salad is a side, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I usually have some kind of pickle, so let's put it here. I'm sorry, I don't have video for this one. You can have anything you like for the main, but the tuna lettuce salad is so easy, you may feel like doing something complicated. So how about harumaki, Japanese spring rolls? I would have plain rice here and your favorite miso soup here. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!